Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little project share. I wanted to share with you guys these inserts that I made for October dailies. I was requested to make 2 of them and I wanted to show you guys how they turned out. I think they look super cute. I used the Simple Stories Say Cheese Halloween collection. And I do make custom orders for these. So if you guys want an insert for your October daily, definitely email me. But look how cute, you guys. I used the snap sheets from, I think it's Simple Stories as well. And then I did the striped washi tape. I added the little eyelets. I make a tassel for all my inserts. I matched it with the collection. I did the purples, the black and whites, the mint, the orange. And then I give a little sample of washi tape. So that is the first pocket. I stitched each and every little card, the 3x3s. I either make a shaker on the bottom. I choose to see where I want to make the shaker. But as you can see, it has a really pretty mix on all little 3 pockets there. I did a little rosette here with a little fella that says so spooky, a little bat. Here we have like a spider web with a little spider. And then here I did some adhesive ribbon to kind of make it look like a film strip. And then I did a little ghostie that I propped up on foam, little bats. And then the last one right here, it's just this cute little card that says Boo, Eek, Happy Halloween, Trick or Treat, Hocus Pocus, Jack-o'-lantern, Goals, and Spooky. A little bat. This one has like the Disney castles. One is in the background, one is propped up. And then a little arrow that says Magic. And I think it's just something super cute to add in your October daily if you don't have anything like to pop in your album. But that's the first one that I made, you guys, and this is the second one, which is also super cute. The tassel is right here, same thing. Excuse me, matching all the colors on the insert. A little washi tape sample. This one says Trick or Treat with some glitter paper. This one says No Tricks, All Treats, and it has just a bunch of sweet stuff like candy corns, candy apples, little sequins. And then the 3 pockets in this one has Mickey ears and Minnie ears, and then a little spider with a little googly eye, also stitched. And the shaker for this one is in the bottom. And I did a cute little banner, a little ghost with the word Boo. I found this little pumpkin in my stash and I thought it was cute to just put it there because he's already holding a pumpkin, so this kind of like makes it dimensional. I used some Riff Raff ribbon. I did stitch it because it is a shaker. Look, you guys. Absolutely love the way they turned out. So cute. I hope she enjoys them. I'm also going to be sending her a little freebie with some cut aparts from the Say Cheese collection. But that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.